Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I have created this Valentine's Day look which I'm so excited about, and I hope you all enjoy this. I paired it with my new favorite top from Target, and I'll link it down below if it's still available. But yeah, hopefully you all are having a wonderful day, and you don't forget that you are also important, and treat yourself to something nice. I know you deserve it. So let's jump right into the video, shall we? Thank you so much for supporting me and for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day.